all of the research, and this is really powerful. This research goes back hundreds of years that looks at the power that others have to influence us. And as much as we like to think that we're very individualistic in our decisions and what we like, it's actually been shown that no, we follow the crowd. And in particular, our reference groups. So each of us have different reference groups that we either think that we belong to or that we aspire to belong to. And so in those instances, when we see those people doing things, that is an indicator for us that we should be doing those things as well. So again, you're talking about having a celebrity or just saying how many people have bought something. Those are actually really good indicators. Amazing things about the internet that has come in all the shopping sites and various different aspects is the ratings, right? You can 5-star, 4-star, 3-star. So those are right there. Those are indicators that there is some social proof going on. If you have a high star rating and you have a high number of those, I am more likely to go, oh, this is a good product. This is something that I should be able to, that I should like. And so there's a trust element that comes with that. Now, I'll go back to Bob Cialdini, who's just done some really cool recent research, as he said that there's actually a problem with the star ratings, because if you get a lot of star ratings and it's at a 5.0, there's a trust factor that comes in. You go, oh, that's usually not how that works. And if you have all fives, maybe you're gaming the system. Maybe you're paying people to write positive reviews for you. Maybe you get all your friends and family to go out there and everybody write in a 5, whatever it would be. And he said that actually, if you have between a 4.2 and a 4.7 is the sweet spot. So it's high. It's this is a good product. But yeah, there's some people that are not so positive on it, and so that lends more credibility